Or every time it would rain and it would get heavy snowfalls, I'd get flooding into my basement. After we finished it, we would get water in through the window wells. It would come down the drywall and flood our entire basement. I did a lot of research, asked a lot of friends. Nobody could give me a really good person to come out and look at our house. And so I got online, did some internet shopping, looked at some testimonials, and found Complete Basement Company. And so I gave them a call. Well, I called Complete Basement Company. They sent out an advisor, a design expert. He came out, looked at my problem, gave me some suggestions, and I really liked what he had to offer. And so I told him to come out and let's get this done. My experience was great. He came out, he looked at my problem. He gave numerous options of what I could get done, and the water guard system was the best solution. So we went ahead and had him set up the appointment and come out and do the work. Foreman and crew was great. They came out, they cared a lot about my house, took their shoes off, masked off my entire room so they wouldn't get any debris throughout the furniture and on the rugs. They were very quick. They did a great job. I would absolutely refer you, and I tell a lot of people about you already because it's been a great solution. And I know many people that have had water problems do nothing about it. They just live with the water problems. And it's been just a great solution. I think what surprised me most was how quick they came in and did the project. They were here, and one day in the morning when they said they were going to be here, they were prompt, and within about a 4-hour period, they were completely done. They had finished the project. I like them to know the professionalism that Complete Basement Company brings to the table, and the solutions they can offer, and people that have problems, you don't need to live with them. They can get them taken care of.